We have travelled just over an hour after leaving the festival and come into this little township, and it attracted me because it has a mineral pool that's opened, and we just felt hot and dusty and thought it would be an interesting place to have a look at. It's very, very quiet. It's a Sunday afternoon. There's nothing open up in the town, and probably won't be till tomorrow because it's a public holiday. But we're in the front camping area of what they suggest you camp in, and it's nice and flat. There's only one other van here at the moment, and the pool is quite low, but it's still swimmable. There's people using it, so we're going to have a little swim this afternoon, aren't we, John? Put your swimmers on?
Well, I haven't got any swimmers.
Oh, you might have to
swim naked.
Maybe.
Look at this for a Clearview Mirror.
Yeah, we're pretty annoyed. We're driving along, it keeps folding in, it won't hold. The other side did the same thing.
Broke about 6 months ago, and this side's broken now.
And it actually took us a long time to get it replaced. They were hard to deal with. So we're not looking forward to starting that process again, but obviously we will. But anyway, another little town to have a look at and see, and should be funny. They actually request donation of $10 a night for each vehicle. That suits us fine. It's helping out the community, and we're getting to use some facilities. After the swim, we actually wandered up through the township in the fading light, and it was just so beautiful. We went to the bowling club for dinner. Not much to speak about really, but on the way back, this truck was flying through town and there was sparks coming up, something dragging under its carriage. So the people that we were camping with actually rang the police and told them so that they could sort it out, because they are in a drought, it's really dry, and sparks like that could always start a fire. And then we had a quiet night and went to bed. Good morning. We loved the pool yesterday and had a great swim. It was just so refreshing. It was lovely. Now, I didn't film swimming yesterday because there was a few local kids, and I never know if it's appropriate to do that. But I'm up early where there should be no one in the pool to show you. It's currently filling up. They close it over winter. They scrub it all out, and they've just started refilling it. But definitely enough to be able to swim yesterday. Look at this. How cool is it? Now let me get its pool fence. And here we are. And you can see the platform in the middle, how deep it must get. So I don't know what this pipe is that runs along here, but the very old photos of the first people that started to build a pool here, that pipe was there, so not sure what it's doing. But here's the toddler's pool, which is yet to be filling. It's got these great little seats all around. And the concrete is eroding, and the sun's just coming up. So you can see over there they've got the blocks, and when it's full you can dive in and you can do laps. And the kids were having a great time. I think the tyre lives here all the time, and these are the steps to get into the pool when it's full. You can see the bottom is all concrete, and where they've scrubbed it, and then it'll be clean for the season. Just looks gorgeous in this morning light, and it was great to swim in, nice and cool. Yeah, a great little place. This is a little park area just next to the pool. You can see there's barbecues, tables, and it's nice and got lots of grass. And then they've got this, and it tells you that the pool was built in 1951, and it has a surface area of 0.4 hectares, 1 acre, and gold was discovered in 1872, and Barmedman became a thriving gold town. Ironically, water caused the closure of mines. The water, it was later found, came from an underground stream. The shoring of the original mine shaft started to deteriorate and a bore was sunk. In 1974, the water from the mineral pool underwent an assay test to determine the mineral content. The water is said to have good therapeutic properties due to the high mineral content. Just having a quick walk around town before the heat gets too much. And I think the old tennis courts have seen better days. This is the street behind the main street, and the goats are over there. And it's dead quiet. Haven't seen anybody or heard of anyone. And I just thought I'd do a lap. And that's what I'm doing. And then we'll probably spend the morning at the pools and then head home. It's only a few hours drive to Canberra. Oh, I take it back. The tennis courts have been superseded. But I love how wide these streets are. Absolutely amazing. One quick look in here before we go back. Just well maintained, I would say. Oh, a bit of a cobweb coming through. Red Cross Anniversary Rose, 1914 to 2014. Oh. Sadly, like every other country town that we visit, way too many go off to war. Way too many. There's an amazing story about a Corporal Ratty, and what he did during the war was so heroic. I'm going to put the sign with all the details at the end of the video, so those that want to read it can stop it and read the story. Surprise, surprise. Here we are, both of us, still at home, spending some quality time together. Enforced.
It's always quality time together with you, dear.
Yeah, right. Basically, the mirror on the car is still broken. It's under warranty.
Yeah, well, it's lucky. It's only a couple of months to 2-3 years, something like that. I can't remember now.
It's still under warranty. We've taken it back to the installer. They've acknowledged it's under warranty. They're working with
Clearview. It's a Clearview next-gen mirror. And
Clearview are slow. So I'm so annoyed because we waited a long time when the driver's side mirror broke, didn't we?
It took a few, took well over a month. They sent one bit out and didn't fix it, and they ended up sending a whole new unit, which fixed it straight away.
So we've jumped through the hoops. We've videoed it going in and out because they like to listen to what it's doing. We've supplied the paperwork, the fitters, the people that installed it. They have tried to work with Clearview too, and we're still waiting a fortnight later.
Yeah, Clearview are good products, but apparently the warranty and return is very slow. What we've been told anyway by a lot of people. But yeah, we'll see how. But we can't tow at the moment because if it.
You're too blinded because you can't see out the rear vision mirror, so it's not safe. Yeah. We actually had some emergency vehicles trying to get past us, and the mirror wouldn't stay out. And
they had no idea where they were.
There was 4 of them. It was obviously a high pressure situation because the police car was driving down the footpath.
On the grass beside the road, yeah.
And we didn't actually...
No.
I couldn't get the mirror to... Like, I was hanging out the passenger window trying to push the mirror out far enough so that we could see where they were, and we couldn't. So it's totally unsafe for me to go on my own.
We might I think we've got to around. We might go buy a new car.
Yes.
And they'll fix it.
So what have we been doing for the fortnight? We've been car shopping. Somebody's got the bug to upgrade and get something with a little bit more power. Is that right?
Yes. So we've driven
so many cars.
Half a dozen different cars. We know what we don't want.
Yeah, it's tricky for us to find what we do want.
Yeah.
We've also seriously decided to upgrade the caravan and go maybe a little bit bigger so that we're a little bit more comfortable when we're traveling. To be honest, we found when it's really windy or the flies are killing us, we're sitting on the bed in the van and we're just a bit over it, because next year we really want to go away for a long time, don't we?
WA somewhere, yes.
And we just want to be a bit more comfortable. So this weekend we're actually going to the Caravan and Camping Show in Canberra. We have visited all the different cars and tried them all out, and we realised that we've got to settle on a caravan first so we know our weights.
Yes.
And then we will look at the car. But that's what we're doing in the fortnight. I really wanted to put this embed in to ask you to stick with me, because I'm not going to post anything until I can travel and I have decent content. Is that right?
Until we get the mirror fixed, mainly. That's the main thing.
Yeah, when the mirror's fixed, we'll be back to travelling. Primarily because I really get annoyed when somebody I follow and they don't have good content. They put something up just to fill in the time. I don't want to do that. So I'm just letting you all know what's going on. And fingers crossed Clearview actually does it sooner rather than later, because there are some places that I would really like to go to before the real hot weather kicks in.
I think it's been nearly 2 weeks now. I mean, it's not our installers' fault. They're chasing it up. It just Clearview a bit slow.
Yeah. Anyway, wanted to give you an update at the end of this video because it's short and sweet, because it was actually supposed to, the mineral pool was supposed to go with another location, and obviously I couldn't go to that location.
No.
Until I get my window back. Oh, what?
Hey, what do you call an old snowman?
What?
A glass of water.
Oh, very good. That's an original, right?
Could be.
Anyway, I will see you on the other side. I have to say, where we parked on the front side, closer to the road, there were a few trucks. And if you don't like truck noise when you're sleeping, then just go to the back bit and camp there. But there are many more people camped there. So that's why we chose the front, because we're supposed to only be here for a night. But who knows, we might stay an extra one because it's just so lovely.